Now let's start today's topic, that is on valuation. अब valuation हमारे लिए important क्यों है? As architects, why do we need to study it? And also, what is its relevant with respect to GATE? So if you see the syllabus of GATE, in section 6 housing, real estate valuation topic is added there. And every year, one question or two question GATE asked from this topic valuation. Valuation is a big topic and also the important one. So GATE asks question on theory based questions also, and GATE asks numerical questions also from valuation. This year in GATE 2024, they have asked two questions from valuation. So our aim in this video is to understand the concept of valuation and few basic but important terminologies related to valuation. Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. If you are new to this channel, let me introduce myself. I am Parul Sharma. I am an architect and I did my masters from IIT Kharagpur in infrastructure design and management. I secured All India rank 28 in GATE 2019 and I am the founder of ERI Academy. At ERI Academy, we provide classes for GATE architecture and planning. And if you are someone who is looking to prepare for GATE 2025, so let me tell you, we are going to start our new batch from 1st July 2024. So if you are someone who is interested in joining classes, or if you have any queries or questions regarding the classes or GATE, so you can reach out to us on our number 9799333490. You can reach out to us, you can call us, text us. You can also download our app ERI Academy. All the links are given in the description below. On the app, you will get free material and also the information about the course, test, free test, quizzes that will help you in your preparation. You can also join our WhatsApp group where we update all the relevant information regarding the exam. So remember this, we are going to start our new batch from 1st July and this offer is valid for a short time and there are limited seats available, so you can reach out to us, hurry up. So if we talk about valuation, it is basically a technique of estimating and determining the price or value of a property. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? Say for example, there is a property, right? I have a property and I want to sell that property, or I want to buy a property. कोई भी केस हो सकता है. मान लो बेचनी है. I have a property and I want to sell that property. अब भाई उसको जब मुझे बेचना है तो ऐसे ही उसका प्राइसिंग कैसे लगाएंगे हम कि हमें कितना अमाउंट पे बेचना है उसको. So for that we need to understand the value of that particular property. उसकी वैल्यू हमको पता कैसे चलेगी? So to know the value of that particular property, let's say that property is in the area Old Rajendra Nagar, Delhi. Now the value of a property in Old Rajendra Nagar, Delhi will be different from the value of a property in Noida, will be different, and it will be different from the value of property in Bombay or in Bangalore or in any other place, right? So first important factor in knowing the value of a property is location. Right? So you need to understand, if I want to sell a property, so first I need to understand the value in that particular location. Then you need to study, is it an old construction or newly constructed building? Because the value will vary accordingly. ठीक है, उसमें material कैसा use हुआ है, ठीक है, and how far is it from the market, how far is it from the metro, all these things add up to the value. That's how you will get to know the value of the current property. So that is one important application of valuation. कि एक तो आपको अपनी property का अगर आपको बेचना है या खरीदना है, so you need to know the value of that property की कितनी है. Then second most important thing जो आती है, वो आती है कि how will you decide the rent of a particular property. Right? For that also you need to see the value. So see for example, Old Rajendra Nagar का example लेते हैं. तो Old Rajendra Nagar में अगर कहीं पे अगर rent चल रहा है 20,000, right? And I have a property there. So if I want to give it for rent, तो मैं सीधा 50,000 तो नहीं कर सकती, right? So now you know the value of all the adjoining properties कि यहाँ पे rent अभी क्या क्या चल रहा है और कितना कितना चल रहा है. So there are different factors in defining the valuation of a property. ठीक है? So that's where in determining and estimating the fair price or value of a property, valuation is used. ठीक है? तो ये valuation एक टेक्निक है जिसके अंदर हमको ये पता चलता है कि what is the proper value और इसका फेयर प्राइस क्या है मार्केट के हिसाब से एक पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी का. सो दिस टेक्निक इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर एनी प्रॉपर्टी और एसेट और एनीवेयर दैट वी आर बाइंग और सेलिंग. वी नीड टू नो द प्रॉपर वैल्यू ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर एसेट और प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ if the definition is clear to you, so let's move on to few terms that are very important in valuation. उनको समझते हैं कि भाई कौन सी terms है. Now, one of the very important term in valuation is salvage value. So let me give you a very simple example with which we will understand salvage value and all other terms that we are going to discuss in this video. तो let's say I bought a laptop. ठीक है, मैंने एक लैपटॉप खरीदा है फॉर 1 लाख रुपीज. ठीक है, 1 लाख का एक लैपटॉप लिया है मैंने. नाउ द यूटिलिटी पीरियड, डिजाइन लाइफ और यूटिलिटी लाइफ क्या होते हैं अब ये सब कुछ. सो वॉट एवर एसेट वी हैव, हमारा मोबाइल है, ठीक है, लैपटॉप हो गया, वॉशिंग मशीन हो गई, कोई भी इक्विपमेंट है और एनी प्रॉपर्टी ऑल्सो. सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर डिजाइंड फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पीरियड. ठीक है, हमें ये पता है कि जब वो फैक्ट्री से बन के आ रहा है कि भाई अगर फोन है तो उसका डिजाइन लाइफ 5 साल है. 5 years इट विल वर्क गुड, बट आफ्टर 5 years हमारी कोई गारंटी नहीं है. सो एवरीथिंग कम्स विद एन एक्सपायरी डेट, राइट. तो इसमें क्या है कि यूटिलिटी पीरियड, डिजाइन लाइफ, यूटिलिटी लाइफ एक ही बात है. फॉर एवरी प्रोडक्ट, एवरी टेक्नोलॉजी, एवरीथिंग देयर इज अ लाइफ फॉर इट. ठीक है. सो लेट्स से फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि इस लैपटॉप की जो लाइफ है दैट इज 10 years. वो तो हमारी आदत होती है ना, उसको 10 साल का अगर है तो हम 12-13 साल तक यूज करेंगे. बट लेट्स से कि डिजाइन लाइफ जो है, कि जो एक्चुअल इसका पीरियड है फॉर विच दिस इज एक्चुअली डिजाइंड इज 10 years. सो लैपटॉप, कॉस्ट ऑफ लैपटॉप वॉज 1 lakh and 10 years is the design life of this particular laptop, right? Now after 10 years when its design life is over, when its utility period is over, ठीक है, utility period complete हो चुका है इसके बाद. Now, if after 10 years I want to sell this laptop, say it will be sold at 10,000 rupees. ठीक है, after 10 years, after the completion of utility period, this laptop will be sold at 10,000 rupees. This 10,000 rupees is nothing but your salvage value. Salvage value. What are the important keywords that you need to remember for salvage value is after the completion of utility period. The value that is after the completion. So ये important है. Why I am focusing on keyword? क्योंकि अभी MSQ बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं and for MSQ you need to understand and remember the keywords. ठीक है. So salvage value, if I need to define salvage value, so salvage value is the value at the end of utility period or after the completion of utility period. Important for you to understand and remember this. ठीक है. Now if this is clear, let's move on to next term, that is scrap value. So scrap value and salvage value, these are both kind of same. Why? Same in the manner कि they both are the value at the end of utility period. ठीक है. After the completion of utility period, the value we are getting is salvage value or scrap value. But when we say it scrap value and when we say it salvage value, so if we have dismantled the asset or the property, ठीक है, so the value of the dismantled material is known as scrap value. For example, अगर मेरी कोई प्रॉपर्टी है, उसकी यूटिलिटी लाइफ है, उसकी यूटिलिटी पीरियड है 40 years. So after 40 years, what I have done, I have dismantled the whole property. Okay, now all the materials I have, ठीक है, वहाँ पे डोर्स है, मेरे पास स्टील अलग है, आयरन अलग पड़ा है, and I have sold all that scrap. So the value obtained by selling that scrap is known as scrap value. So the value of dismantled material is known after utility period is known as scrap value, and the value जो end of utility period में not in dismantled form is known as salvage value. That is the only difference between salvage value and scrap value. I hope these two terms are clear to everyone. Concept समझो, concept समझना बहुत important है, रटने से कुछ नहीं होगा. So if I define scrap value, that is the value of dismantled material at the end of utility period. Okay, these definitions are important for you. So remember these definitions. So if these two terms are clear, salvage value and scrap value, let's move on to next term. That is very important. So dheere dheere on the basic, from the very basic, we are building our concept on this. Let's consider the same example where my laptop cost is 1 lakh rupees and after the utility period of 10 years, its cost is, let's say, 10,000. That we defined as salvage value, right? Now, understand this. After 10 years, its value is what? 10,000 rupees. 10,000 में बिक रहा है ये 10 साल बाद में, ठीक है? So the reduction or the loss in the value of the asset or any property is known as depreciation. So this is known as depreciation. It is defined as the decrease or loss in the value of a property that we discussed just now. 1 लाख से 10,000 आ गया तो जो द अमाउंट ऑफ रिडक्शन, जितना रिडक्शन हुआ है, दैट इज नोन एज डेप्रीसिएशन. तो अगर मुझे यहाँ पे डेप्रीसिएशन काउंट करना है तो व्हाट इज दैट? 1 लाख से अमाउंट किस पे आ गया? 10,000 पे. सो डेप्रीसिएशन कितना हुआ? 1 लाख माइनस 10,000, दैट इज 90,000. सो दिस एसेट, द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एसेट हैज डेप्रीशिएटेड बाय 90,000 रुपीज. ये मतलब होता है डेप्रीसिएशन का, कितना रिडक्शन हुआ है अमाउंट में, दैट इज नोन एज डेप्रीसिएशन. ओके, नाउ द वेरियस मेथड्स टू फाइंड डेप्रीसिएशन इज स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड, constant percentage method, sinking fund method and quantity survey method. These are 4 different methods to calculate depreciation. In this video we will discuss on straight line method. So straight line method says that the reduction is constant in every year. ठीक है, 10 साल का यूटिलिटी पीरियड था. सो इन दोज 10 years every year same amount has been depreciated. So that's what straight line method says. Every year same amount has been depreciating. So what is the annual depreciation? Let's calculate it. So what was the original cost of laptop? That was 1 lakh. ठीक है, अभी salvage value final cost कितनी हो गई है after 10 years? This is 10,000. Divide by total number of years. So 10 years. This change or this reduction in the cost or value is after 10 years, right? That's why we will write number of years. We will divide by number of years. तो इसको कैलकुलेट कर लो, कितना आता है? 90,000 डिवाइड बाय 10, दैट इज 9,000 रुपीज. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? दैट एवरी ईयर 9,000 रुपीज is depreciating from the value of laptop. ठीक है. So now here my question to you all is, if annual depreciation of this laptop is 9,000 rupees, then tell me the total amount of depreciation in 5 years. So write it in the comments below, what will be the total depreciation in 5 years. So if depreciation is clear to you, let's move to next term, next important term, that is book value. इसी एग्जाम्पल को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. सो वी विल कंटिन्यू विद दैट पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल ओनली, जहाँ पे हमारा लैपटॉप था 1 लाख रुपए का. 10 साल के यूटिलिटी पीरियड के बाद में नाउ द सैल्वेज वैल्यू इज 10,000 रुपीज एंड वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड टोटल डेप्रिसिएशन इन 10 years, दैट इज 90,000 रुपीज, राइट? एनुअल डेप्रिसिएशन इज 9,000. एनुअल डेप्रिसिएशन हर साल कितना डेप्रिशिएट हो रहा है, दैट इज 9,000 रुपीज. नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू कैलकुलेट द बुक वैल्यू. होता क्या है बुक वैल्यू? So say for example, I want to sell this particular laptop after 4 years. ठीक है, 4 साल बाद बेचना है मुझे इस लैपटॉप को. So 4 साल बाद after 4 years, what will be the value of this laptop? The value of that laptop after 4 years, after 5 years. So मतलब before the end of utility period, at any year, I want to know the value of that particular asset or property is known as book value. So if I want to sell my laptop after 4 years, then what will be the value of that laptop is known as book value. अब ये value हम निकालेंगे कैसे? So original cost of that particular asset, इस केस में हमारे पास लैपटॉप है, तो original cost of this laptop is 1 lakh. We need to see what will be the depreciation after 4 years. Book value after 4 years. That's what we are finding here. ठीक है. So एक साल में कितना depreciate हुआ है? 9,000. So in 4 years, how much it will depreciate? in 4 years, what will be the total depreciation in 4 years? So that will be 9,000 into 4. I hope this is clear to everyone. अगर एक साल में 9,000 depreciate हो रहा है तो 4 साल में कितना depreciate होगा? 9,000 into 4. So the amount that it will depreciate in 4 years, that is 9,000 into 4. So the book value after 4 years will be 64,000. Similarly, you find book value after 5 years. ठीक है? So first question was to find the total depreciation after 5 years and also find the book value after 5 years. ठीक है? That is your second question. So write the answer in the comments below. Based on the concepts that we have studied in this particular video about valuation, there was a question that was asked in GATE 2024. Let's solve that question also. So while solving any numerical, I suggest everyone to read the question twice. पहली बार पढ़ो, सबसे पहले देख लो what is given. ठीक है? So let's understand this question. At present, the cost of a new office equipment is 50,000 rupees. So cost is 50,000. It has 15% salvage value. Salvage value is 15% of what? Of cost. 15% of cost. So that is 7,500. After a useful life of 5 years. Useful life कितनी है इसकी? 5 years. Using straight line method of depreciation that we have studied in the video, the book value of the equipment 3 years from now. So याद करो वो example जो हमने किया था लैपटॉप का. So the cost is 50,000, salvage value is 7,500. So what is the annual depreciation of it? Annual depreciation अगर मुझे निकालना है तो वो कितना होगा? 50,000 minus salvage value, that is 7,500, divide by it utility period, that is 5 years. So the value will come out 8,500 rupees. This is annual depreciation. Always remember the units. So this is annual depreciation 8,500 rupees. ठीक है? ये तो आ गया annual depreciation. Question में हमसे क्या मांगा है? The book value of the equipment 3 years from now. 3 साल बाद में इस पर्टिकुलर इक्विपमेंट की बुक वैल्यू क्या होगी. सो वी नो टू कैलकुलेट बुक वैल्यू, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? टोटल कॉस्ट. व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट? 50,000 इज द टोटल कॉस्ट माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन इन 3 years, क्योंकि इन्होंने बुक वैल्यू 3 साल में मांगा है. सो वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट विद द डेप्रिसिएशन. कितना रिडक्शन हुआ है उसमें, इफ वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट वी विल नो द बुक वैल्यू ऑफ इट, राइट? सो एनुअल डेप्रिसिएशन इज 8,500 और 3 years from now, so depreciation in 3 years will be 8,500 into 3. So this comes out to be 50,000 minus 25500. So your answer is 24500. This is the answer of this particular question. So I hope the video was helpful for you and you all understand the concept of valuation and also the other terms, other important terms that are related to the valuation, that is scrap value, salvage value, book value and depreciation. So if you like the content that we add here, please do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.